Innovation is all around us. We live in a digital world. CCL Design. A company driven by innovation. With state-of-the-art technology, we craft solutions that take us beyond the standard. Giving you the foundations to embellish your products like never before. Continually innovating, we have a portfolio of transformational products and capabilities. We have developed solutions that weave into the fabric of your product development to give you the formula to excel in your market and provide excellence in consumer experience. We lead the way in design and technology with the world's leading brands, enabled by state-of-the-art factories and unprecedented global support from design to manufacture. A company with unparalleled competence, putting your business on the centre stage. CCL Design.